For too long, technical SEO has taken a backseat to flashy designs and keyword strategies. But today, getting your site's technical foundation right is no longer optional. It's critical to being competitive. What's up, everybody? I'm Chris at WordPress Pro, and I want to talk about technical SEO. Now, WordPress Pro is a web and SEO agency building lightning-fast websites that drive leads for local service businesses, and we focus on the intersection of branding, web, and SEO. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Now, for a long time, technical SEO has been considered the nerdy side of web design, something that many businesses and designers were overlooking. Instead, they were more focused on elements like keyword density, or the way that the website looked, or 100 other things, because technical SEO was often misunderstood, and honestly, it's kind of difficult to implement properly if you don't have the right tools. But as search engines have evolved, so has the importance of getting your technical SEO right. Now, WordPress has long been the go-to platform for SEO and web designers alike. However, many of the popular page builders weren't built with technical SEO in mind. Sure, you can make some improvements, but factors like website speed, optimized images with alt tags, and proper heading structures were often treated as a nice to have rather than essential. But the digital landscape has been changing dramatically, and as search engines like Google place more emphasis on user experience and site performance, then technical SEO has become crucial. Not just on WordPress, but across various platforms. There are tools like Wix Studio, Webflow, and other WordPress builders like Gutenberg and Bricks that have been stepping up their game and making speed and other technical aspects a priority. Now, speed is just the beginning. When it comes to technical SEO, site speed has become a small but significant factor. For years, speed served as a marker of a well-built website. Now, fast-loading websites were often ranked better simply because if they cared about the speed, they cared about other pieces. And also, users and search engines were preferring them because they were easier to use. However, site speed alone is no longer enough to distinguish a website from the competition. And the platforms mentioned above are not only focusing on speed, but also integrating better support for your headings, improved content structure, and optimizing your images. And these technical improvements are all essential for ranking well on search engines. Now, as these platforms evolve, the bar for what is considered a technically sound website is continually rising. And in today's competitive landscape, technical SEO is no longer a choice, it's an absolute necessity. So the days when technical SEO could set you apart from the competition are over. It's now a standard expectation for any web design project. If someone with no formal web design training, like Sally the bookkeeper, can build a fast, well-structured website using Wix Studio, then the gap between professional and DIY websites is closing rapidly. And this means that whether you're running a small business or managing a large-scale website, you need to make sure that you're taking your technical SEO seriously. Search engines are expecting more, and if you're not keeping up with these changes, then you risk falling behind. Now, beyond technical SEO, content strategy is extremely important. And while technical SEO is critical, it's not going to be the only piece of the puzzle. So once you've optimized your site's structure, speed, and technical elements, you need to focus on the content. A well-built website without engaging, valuable content is like a fast car with no fuel. It won't get you very far. So you need to think about how your content will grow over time. And small businesses are getting savvier with their SEO, and larger companies are investing more resources into improving their online presence. So to compete, you need to make sure that you have a comprehensive strategy that includes both your technical SEO and a well thought out content plan. And your content should not only engage users, but also support your SEO goals by targeting the right keywords, answering user questions, and providing value. Now, in the past, technical SEO may have been overlooked or considered an afterthought, but that's no longer the way it is now. With platforms like Wix, WordPress, Webflow, and others making it easier than ever to build fast, technically sound websites, businesses of all sizes need to ensure that their technical SEO is on point. But remember, technical SEO alone won't guarantee success. You need to have that holistic approach that combines that technical optimization with a strong content and a long-term strategy for growth. And as the search engines continue to evolve, so must your SEO strategy. It's just one part of the equation. You also need to think about how your website grows, adapts, and continues to compete in an increasingly crowded digital space. Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit like and subscribe. There are more resources on wordpresspro.co, and I'll see you guys in the next video.